Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds ah and ah. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the ah sound in the word taught, taught, taught. Now the ah sound in the word taught, taught, taught. Now I will use them both in a sentence. She taught the little tot. She taught the little tot. She taught the little tot. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!